प्रीवियस क्लास में हमने कॉन्टिन्यूटी के बारे में पढ़ा था। आज हम नेक्स्ट टॉपिक स्टार्ट करेंगे, दैट इज डिफरेंशिएबिलिटी। डिफरेंशिएबिलिटी मींस फंक्शन जिसका डेरिवेटिव एग्जिस्ट करता हो। डिफरेंशिएबिलिटी जिस फंक्शन का डेरिवेटिव एग्जिस्ट करता हो। लेट f(x) बी अ रियल वैल्यूड फंक्शन, real valued function in open interval ab, real valued function in open interval ab. Let there is some point between a and b that lies, let c belongs to ab, then f(x) is said to be differentiable, then f(x) is said to be differentiable when कब डिफरेंशिएबल होगा, if and only if limit x tends to c f of x minus f of c upon x minus c exists finitely। अगर इस फंक्शन की जो वैल्यू है कुछ फाइनाइट वैल्यू हमारे पास आती है तो इट मींस कि डिफरेंशिएबिलिटी फंक्शन इज सेड टू बी differentiable. Every differentiable function, not जो भी function differentiable होगा, that is continuous. Necessarily that is continuous. The function which are differentiable are also continuous functions. The functions which are differentiable are also continuous function, but converse is not necessarily true. जो फंक्शन डिफरेंशिएबल है वो तो कंटिन्यूस होगा, लेकिन ये जरूरी नहीं है कि जो फंक्शन कंटिन्यूस है वो डिफरेंशिएबल भी हो। क्लियर? Now if left hand derivative और right hand derivative equal है, then the function is differentiable. If left hand derivative is equals to right hand derivative, then function is differentiable. We can write left hand derivative as limit x tends to c negative. Left hand derivative, so negative sign here. F of x minus f of c upon x minus c. Right hand derivative, so c positive. F of x minus f of c, x minus c. Now next item, every polynomial function is differentiable. Every polynomial function is differentiable. Exponential function, constant function, exponential functions, constant function, these are also differentiable. The logarithmic function, is differentiable at each point in its domain. Differentiable at each point in its domain. जो भी सेट ऑफ फंक्शंस पॉइंट्स है उसके हर पॉइंट में डिफरेंशिएबल होगा। ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक and inverse trigonometric functions, trigonometric and inverse trigonometric functions are also differentiable in their respective domains. In their respective domains. if function f of x is differentiable at its domain, then derivative f dash x, we can write it as limit h tends to 0 f of x minus h, f of x minus h minus f of x upon minus h, or we can write it as limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x upon h. So derivative is equals to this. Now let us start the questions with the differentiability. Now the first question is, show that the function f of x is equals to modulus of x is not differentiable at x equals to 0. We want to show that this function is not differentiable at x equals to 0. अभी हमने पढ़ा कि फंक्शन डिफरेंशिएबल कब होगा, जब उसका लेफ्ट हैंड डेरिवेटिव और राइट हैंड डेरिवेटिव इक्वल होंगे. सो फर्स्ट फाइंड लेफ्ट हैंड डेरिवेटिव. लिमिट x टेंड्स टू 0 नेगेटिव f of x, we want to find its differentiability at point 0, so minus f of 0 upon x minus 0. If we write it as limit h tends to 0, so f of x minus h minus f of 0 upon x minus h minus 0, value of function at point 0, fx is modulus of x, so modulus of 0 will be 0. So we can write it as modulus of x minus h minus 0 upon x minus h. Since this is the left hand derivative, when we put x0 here, so 0 minus h, modulus of minus of h is h upon minus h, so minus 1. If we want to find the right hand derivative, limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of 0 upon x plus h minus 0. We want to find the differentiability at x 0. So limit h tends to 0 f of h 0 plus h, f of 0 is already 0, so 0 plus h minus 0. F of h has value modulus of h minus 0 upon h. Modulus of h is h, that is equals to 1. So left hand derivative has value minus 1 and right hand derivative has value 1. So left hand derivative is not equals to right hand derivative. Therefore the function is not differentiable at x equals to 0. Now the next one. Show that the function f of x is equals to x minus 1 if x is less than 2, 2x minus 3 if x is greater than equals to 2, is not differentiable at x is equals to 2. Left hand derivative at x is equals to 2 negative f of x minus f of 2 upon x minus 2. When x is equals to 2, then the value of the function is this. For x is equals to 2x minus 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. So value of derivative, we can write it as x minus h. X minus h. minus 1 upon x minus 2. So limit x tends to 2, x minus 2 upon x minus 2, that is equal to 1. Now we want to find the right hand derivative. X tends to 2 positive. F of x minus f of 2 upon x plus 2. F of x minus 2 upon x minus 2. When x is 2 positive, greater than 2, then the value of function is 2x minus 3. F of 2 is 1 upon x minus 2. So 2x minus 4, take 2 common. X minus 2 upon x minus 2. So we get the answer as 2. Now left hand derivative is 1 and right hand derivative has value 2. So left hand derivative is not equals to right hand derivative. Therefore the given function is not differentiable at x is equals to 2. Given function is not differentiable at x is equals to 2. Now the next one. Show that the function f of x is x square sine 1 by x. If x is not equals to 0, 0. If x is equals to 0, is differentiable at x is equals to 0 and f dash 0 has value 0. So limit x tends to 0 negative. F of x, we want to find the differentiability at point 0. We can write it as limit h tends to 0, f of 0 minus h minus f of 0, 0 minus h. When x is less than 0, then the function has value this. So minus h square sine 1 upon minus h upon minus h. We can write it as limit h tends to 0, h square minus sine 1 upon h. So h sine 1 by h, limit h tends to 0. H is 0, so 0 into something is 0. Now we want to find the right hand derivative. Limit h tends to 0, f of 0 plus h minus f of 0 upon 0 plus h, f of 0 has value 0. Now f of h is h square sine 1 by h minus 0 upon h. Limit h tends to 0. It will get cancelled. So we are left with limit h tends to 0, h sine 1 by h. This is again 0. Now left hand derivative is equal to right hand derivative. Left hand derivative is equals to right hand derivative. Therefore it is differentiable at x is equals to 0. Now what we want to show that f dash 0 is equals to 0. So this is the value of f dash x. Left hand derivative and right hand derivative are equal. So f dash x is 0. So f dash 0 is also 0. Next one is show that f of x is equals to x square is differentiable at x is equals to 1 and find f dash 1. Now when limit x tends to 1 negative, left hand derivative, that is f of x minus f of 1 upon x minus 1, limit h tends to 0, 1 minus h minus f of 1, 1 minus h minus 1, f of x is x square. So f of 1 minus h is 1 minus tends to 0, f of 1 square is 1 upon 1 and 1 will get cancelled, minus h. Open the bracket, a minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. Take h common, h minus 2 upon minus h, limit h tends to 0. H is 0, minus 2 upon minus 1. So left hand derivative has value 2. Now right hand derivative, limit h tends to 0, f of 1 plus h minus f of 1 upon 1 plus h minus 1. F of 1 plus h, 1 plus h square, f of 1 square has value 1 upon h, limit h tends to 0. Open the bracket, a square plus b square plus 2ab minus 1 upon h, limit h tends to 0. Limit h tends to 0, take h common, h plus 2 upon h. Put the value of limit, h is 0 plus 2. Now left hand derivative is equals to right hand derivative. Therefore, the given function is differentiable at x is equals to 1 and f dash 1 has value 2. F dash 1 has value 2. Discuss the differentiability of f of x, x e power minus 1 upon modulus of x plus 1 upon x. X is not equals to 0. 0 when x is equals to 0 at x 0. We want to check the differentiability at the point x is equals to 0. When x is less than 0, when x is equals to 0, then function has value 0, and when the x is greater than 0. We know when x is less than 0, then modulus of x has value minus x. So we can write it as x minus 1 by x plus 1 by x. It will get cancelled. E power 0, 1. So we get the function value as x. When x is 0, the function has value 0. Now when x is greater than 0, then modulus of x is x. So 1 by x plus 1 by x. So function has value x e power minus 2 by x. 1 by x plus 1 by x. Now we have to check the differentiability. So left hand derivative is x tends to 0. 0 पे हमें derivability check करनी है. f of x minus f of 0 upon x minus 0. So when x tends to 0 negative, then the value of function is x. So f of 0 is given 0 upon x minus 0. So we get the value 1. Now right hand derivative, limit x tends to 0 positive, f of x minus f of 0, x minus 0. Now when x is greater than 0, then the function has value x e power minus 2 by x upon x. X will get cancelled. So limit x tends to 0, e power minus 2 by x. Some 2 upon 0 is infinity and e power infinity has value 0. So left hand derivative is not equals to right hand derivative. Therefore the given function is not differentiable at x equals to 0. 0 पे जो function है differentiable नहीं है. Now the next question. If f of x is differentiable at x is equals to a, find limit x tends to a, f of x minus, find limit x tends to a, x square f of a minus a square f of x upon x minus a. It is given that the function is differentiable at x is equals to a. F of x is differentiable at x is equals to a. It means limit x tends to 0, f of x minus f of a, x tends to a, f of x minus f of a upon x minus a exist finitely. हमने कहा था तभी डिफरेंशिएबल होगा अगर ये लिमिट की वैल्यू फाइनाइट होगी. Exist finitely. Now we want to find the value of this function. Limit x tends to a, x square f of a. Here we have f of x minus f of a.